Now let's see your app by the computer. Your app is a mobile first application, but you can see how it works by computer. The first thing you can click on get started and start to do a login. Okay, you can click on sign in and you do the login here. You can see the same screens, dashboard, and here you can see the profile and change to dark mode. What do you prefer? And in the dashboard, you can create an exercise. For example, let's create an exercise in this way. You can pick the exercise from YouTube, for example, pull down. You keep a link, for example, of a exercise and link, but the best is you recording the exercise in your gym. Let's pick this. You can copy the link here and you can click on new exercise, the name, pull down, video URL, muscle group chat, for example, instructions, do slowly. You can edit the exercise. After you do the exercise, you can see here in the library, the exercise is here. You can delete. When you want delete, you can click here and it will be deleted. But I will click on cancel. If you want to make change, you can click here and change the name and the other informations. How you can see, the exercise already deleted. I will create again. Chest. Aging again, and you can see here. You can see the muscle groups here. Chest. Students have two ways to see the students. The first thing is active students, who you can see here, and pending. The pending is when the students create an account by the screen, and and you need to approve them to they use the app. If you don't approve the student, he can't log in the app. This is to avoid to DDoS attack or persons using your app without your permission. After this, you can see here the messages too and send message. How you can see the message was sent by the other app, I can see here. Okay, test message sending using the real time. It's okay. Let's come again to the clear mode. I prefer clear mode, and I will come to sign out. And now, if you want sign with in the app, you just give a email and password. And when you want to sign in, the unique option is sign by as an athlete. You can't create new accounts of codes in this screen. You can promote, but is to avoid to the students have access about informations to respect the LGBT. You can create an account putting your name here, putting an email and the password. For example, I will create this account. I will create this account. And okay, you can create a password. Creating an account. Now I created the account. Need to check the email to confirm the signing, and the email will put we can see here. Let's access the Gmail. and can see the account here if the email was sent. How you can see, we can see the email from Superbase out here. You can click to confirm the email, but the confirmation isn't enough to access the email. It's needed other very important thing. Because of this, you can access yet. For example, if I try to access here now with the account, we can't access. Let's see. In the account, we can see this, but uh, other thing is very important to start to give entrainment to this profile, and I will show you just now. Let's come to the profile and sign out and access again by as a coach. Signing, and when I see pending two approvals, we can see two just now. We can click here to pending and approve this account. When we approve them, we can see here now two active and this account here just now. If we want to send messages, we can send messages here. Hello, and send to him. And now, let's suppose if we want to give to him an exercise. We can click here to see the entrainment and select the day of the week, for example, the Wednesday, and add an exercise. When I set the exercise, we can make some change. When I click here, we can select the number of sets, the number of repetitions, for example, 5, 10, the rest time, and confirm the change. And now he have exercise. Uh, if we can do other things, for example, want to come for evolution here, 1 month, and put informations. Body fat on 5%, weight, chest. Let's say progress without put our information. We can see the measurement history. Okay. Now, let's come to the dashboard again and sign out. Let's access by the account we created just now. Accessing and putting the password, signing. Okay. When I see just now, we can see here a kind of information about the trainment. We can see a exercise here. We can just click here and see the exercise there. Uh, this video have a configuration we don't watch in other out of YouTube, but when you select your video, you can see here, and you can see here the tip. Do it slowly, the observation. If we come to the chat, we can see here the same message of the coach. If we come to progress, we can see by 1 month progress with the information of the coach already sent to us. And if you want put more information, we can do by there. If we come to the profile, we can do the change here, put image and other things. If we put gallery, you will change by files of our computer in a new screen. You can see here, but in a new screen we can change the photo. Here, in other days we won't have a workout, we can see. And when we do the exercise, we can mark by as complete. And when we with the complete, we can see the count time to rest and click to skip. When we click to skip, the exercise I already do, and just click workout complete, and we can send a message directed to the coach. For example, thank you, and send finish, and okay. And if you want sign out, just click here, and it's this. Our app is completely functional.